Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be organizing my extremely messy and cluttered pantry. If your pantry looks anything like this and you need a little bit of inspiration, then this is the perfect video for you. We are going to be organizing my pantry on a budget. Everything that I'm using can be found at Walmart and super budget friendly. So if you guys are interested on seeing this awesome transformation, then stay tuned. So before we get started on organizing the pantry, I wanted to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. Now, if you have not heard of Home Chef before, it is a meal delivery service where they send everything you need to make meals to your front door. Everything is packaged nicely and everything is super fresh when it arrives at your front door. So I'm gonna show you guys the meals that I picked out for our family this week. It saves me a lot of time because I don't always have time to run here and there to the grocery store, and I always end up forgetting things, and so we can't make the meal because I forgot something important. And with Home Chef, everything gets sent to you in one box and it's super easy and the meals are delicious. So let me show you what I picked out for this week. So for dinner, I chose the Hawaiian chicken thigh tacos. I thought pretty much everybody in my family likes chicken and they like tacos. It says it only takes 15 minutes of both prep and cook time, which is perfect. And then I also chose this one. This is the Nacho chicken flatbread, and this is actually what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm gonna make this real quick for lunch, some fuel for finishing up this pantry. And this is supposed to be like a dinner meal, but actually you could do it for lunch as well. So that's what we're gonna do, and then save these for dinner later. So our meals today have been super easy. I haven't had to worry about what's for dinner because Home Chef hooked me up already. And then I also ordered this strawberry limeade smoothie. Smoothies just sound so good to me when I'm pregnant. And then this is also for lunch. I think we'll make this for lunch tomorrow. This is the honey mustard chicken salad sandwich. If you guys are interested in ordering from Home Chef, they are offering their largest deal that they have offered so far, and that is $20 off your first 4 orders. So that is really exciting because that is a total savings of $80 instead of just $30 like it used to be on your first box. Now you are saving $20 on 4 boxes. So if you guys are interested in ordering from Home Chef, make sure to check out the link in the description box below and use my code Brittani80 to save yourself some money. So I have to let you guys know that this was so good. Both me and my husband approved. So if you guys order your Home Chef, make sure to check out the Nacho chicken flatbread when you get a chance. So I just got home from Walmart and I went and picked up all the things that I'm going to use to organize the pantry. All of this is super inexpensive. I'll have to add it all up, but I'm pretty sure all of it will be under $50. The most expensive thing that I got is probably this little turntable, and I think it was like $6.47. I would have got more of these, but they only had one left, so I guess they're kind of popular. It was the only one that they had. And then these little copper colored baskets were $2.88 a piece, so I got 4 of them, and that's all that they had left, so I grabbed all 4. And then these are the bigger canisters. These are $3.47 a piece. I got 6 and that's all that they had left. I pretty much cleaned them out on all of this. And then I got 6 of the smaller ones as well. These are $2.47 and those are $3.47. And then the only other thing that I got is this spray paint, and this was $4.50 47 cents, I think. This was the only gold that they had, and I didn't want to have to go to any other stores. I wanted to be able to get everything from one store. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to spray the tops of these lids. Let's go on outside and spray the lids down, and then we will work on organizing and getting rid of old stuff in the pantry. Ew, why is this coming out so terribly? Okay, this is weird. This is not coming out like a spray paint should be. It's all clumpy. Oh, I had a little bit of a problem. What happened is that I ended up getting, I think I already threw the can away because I ran out of it. But what I ended up getting is a marbleized paint. Like, you're not supposed to coat this whole thing. Like, it's just supposed to make like a marble effect. I sprayed the heck out of them to get them like this. I didn't mean to grab that paint, and I'm so upset that I did. So I just ran to Hobby Lobby right now and picked up some more spray paint. I'll show you guys what it is. Make sure that you don't grab the marble one. You probably saw that when I held it up in the thing, and I didn't even notice it when I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna repaint these, and I hope that they turn out okay. I have one lid that I actually forgot to paint over here. Like, I'm just so scatterbrained. So this is the paint that I went and got. It's by Krylon, and the color is Sparkling Canyon. It's like a rose gold, so you can see here like the color is definitely not the same. And I kind of did that on purpose because I liked this color, so I don't really care. But I hope that it covers well and it works.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
So now that I've taken everything out of the pantry and cleaned off the shelves, I'm just throwing away anything that is old, probably stale, or things that haven't been eaten in a long time. It's kind of amazing how many things were just sitting in our pantry that were either old or expired or things that nobody was eating. So I actually had to throw away a lot of food, which was quite an eye-opener for me. And I think that having everything organized in nicer jars like this will make it a lot easier to see what's being eaten, what's old, what's not being eaten. And I don't worry about the expiration dates on the products that I'm putting in the containers, because these are all foods that get eaten very quickly and very often, so I'm not worried about when they expire.
Remember, I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So now I'm just adding a few decor pieces to the very top shelf in my pantry. Of course, this is totally optional, and I just really like the way that it looks, and I will tell you guys where each piece is from in a little bit.
This is a spinning thing, which you put stuff on and you can spin it and eat maple syrup or olive oil or canola oil. And you don't have to like move stuff around, so you just spin it. It's so super convenient. We're gonna use this all the time.
This thing is from IKEA and it holds like bags from stores. I've got mostly Target bags in here if you guys know me. Sorry. My kids are kicking around play food through the house. So using these two holes, I'm just gonna screw this into the wall in the pantry. Done with the pantry. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the stuff that's up here at the top. I did not go out and buy anything new. I just used things that were around my house to decorate the top part of the pantry. Of course, if you need the storage, you don't have to decorate the top of your pantry. I just don't exactly need all the storage at the top. And I like how the decorative pieces kind of make it look a little bit pretty when you first open the pantry. So these signs, this one was actually given to me a long time ago, so I'm not sure where it's from. But this one is from Hobby Lobby. And then this little vase is from IKEA. This is my air fryer. This is from Home Goods, but it is the Dash brand air fryer. The greenery is from Kirkland's. I've had this little, I'm not sure what you call this, but this little cake stand. I've had that for a while. And the little wine bottle holder is from Target a while back. And then this is a antique mixer that was given to me by my mother-in-law. And then this little carousel for the coffee cups is from World Market. And then I just have like a bunch of coffee cups that I don't use very often on there, because it's not like I'm going to grab these coffee cups in the morning and use those. Those are just kind of decorative ones. So here are the containers all finished. The lids turned out okay despite the little mishap at the beginning with the marble paint. So make sure that you don't get marble paint. I do like the color. I think I actually like the color better than if it had been gold, like if the original paint had been gold. I do like this color better, so it's kind of up to you what color scheme you want to go with, but I like the colored lids instead of just the white. I feel like it looks a little bit fancier. They almost look a little bit more expensive than just like a Walmart $2 container. I'll eventually get another container for this so that it all matches, but for now that one's just from Home Goods. And then I've got snacks and pasta and then tea bags and then the cereals over here. This little bin I've had for so long, and this little label right here, these are actually from Amazon. This is from my last pantry organization video when I did this contact paper. So I will link these below in case you guys are interested. You could get these labels and put them on here. I think that would be really cute. And then I just have my coffee right over here because in the mornings I just grab this and scoop it out and put it in my Ninja coffee bar. And I've got Wheat Thins, Cheez-Its, and Oreos in these. And then I've got two little containers back here. These also have the same labels on them that I had used last time. And then this little candy jar is from Target. This is recent. I think they're only like $6 or $7. And then here's the turntable that I got from Walmart. I love this. I think I might get one more. And then the little 3-tiered spice rack is from HomeGoods. And then these are also from HomeGoods from the last pantry organization. And then these are the baskets that I picked up from Walmart. And then, Kashi, what are you doing to my sodas down there? What are you doing to my sodas? This tray is from, I want to say, HomeGoods. Also, it's been a while, but I just did like different categories of snacks in here as well. This has all the art stuff in it. I want to say these are probably just old baskets from Target, but I didn't feel like I needed to go out and buy new baskets just for the pantry because these work perfectly fine. And then this one actually keeps the kids' lunch boxes in here or any bags or stuff like that that they want to take to school, their lunches. And then I just have some sodas down here. I don't know how long these are going to last because Cash likes to play with them. And then this little basket is also from Target, and it just has all of our like tissues, paper bags, plastic wrap, aluminum foil, all of that. And then I've just got some vinegar over here that I usually use for cleaning. And here is the bag holder that I got from IKEA. These are so cheap. I think they're like, I don't know, $3 or something, but I think that's really nice to have up on the wall. And here it is. My pantry is finally organized and clean, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I hope this gave you guys some motivation to organize your own pantry. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below for Home Chef and place your order. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.